use REITs to build my parents' retirement income. Today is a Q&A on this REITs ETF, CFA and CLR, because I received this question from Mr. Pang. Do I hold CFA or CLR REITs ETF? If not, would I invest in a diversified REIT portfolio, or do my homework on focusing on only those blue chip REITs instead? Mr. Pang continued to add, most REITs investors saw a big drop in REITs due to Fed interest rate hikes usually. Do you advise cutting loss or holding on to them? If you have the same question as Mr. Pang, my original answer was TLKIS. Too long, let me keep it short. I don't hold CFA or CLR REITs ETF, and I invest in REITs that I understand the most. Let me repeat, and I invest in REITs that I understand the most. Regarding whether to cut loss, hold on to them, I can only reply this simple phrase: that is price, it is not value. How would I navigate if I own a REITs ETF? Continue to watch, as these 4 keys may help you navigate your REITs ETF decision. First key, you know what you want, I know what I want. How do you get what you want? How do I get what I want? So what am I talking about? Because this thing kills the investor. You might be scratching your head. What's going on? Because you're spot for choices. The choices killed the investor. Let me use an example. I wanted to reach Causeway Point. I can either walk, take a bus, a train, or grab a car ride. I'm spot for choices. So these choices killed the investor. My question is, why will you choose a REITs ETF? For what reason? Second key, rewards to risk ratio. Risk comes from not understanding what I'm doing. So to reduce risk, I learn more about the subject. A REITs ETF has risk due to the risk of the underlying assets. Which underlying asset do you not understand? Or perhaps maybe are you even the risk? Nah, blue chip REITs are better than, right? No, blue chip REITs still increase my risk if I don't understand them, because in investing, this ratio, rewards to risk ratio, is often not mentioned. How much risk did I take to achieve my rewards? So you have decided that you still want to proceed with a REITs ETF. I'm not discouraging you, right? I'm just here to encourage you to practice independent thinking. The third key is treat it like a business. I'm a business owner, so I must set aside time to understand the business. You observe that my videos are primarily business metrics, so that I can rate and understand my businesses. Let's use this example. Hyrox. To my brief observations requires you and me to complete the exercise stations and get your timing score. The exercise stations are my business metrics. To name a few, it will be the gross profit margins, the net profit margins, the operating cash flow, the cash balances in your balance sheet. The timing score is my business performance, that is, dividends. I purposely left out capital appreciation because price is pretty subjective. Fourth key, price is what I pay, value is what I get. Knowing the value simplifies my decision-making process. So that's where you hit the subscribe button, because I'm here with you to assess the business value of REITs. Not all REITs though. As of now, specifically to Capital DC REIT, Fraser Centrepoint Trust, and Capital Land Integrated Commercial Trust, and occasionally other REITs. This one REIT that I'm also kind of puzzled. Why would you, if you happen to be holding, wants to hold this kind of REIT? Lastly, thank you for your interest in REITs.